The best and only trade show that comes into my mind's name is AMTECH as on today for India.
Flawless execution and getting the entire Indian AM community together, it's not a joke. So excellent platform for the entire community to be here.
I think it's one of the premium exhibition in India as far as the additive manufacturing and whole ecosystem goes.
With AMTECH, my personal experience is that it keeps getting better, not just from the show, but I think from the experience as well.
I think the platform has really helped to the entire community to come together to discuss their challenges, also provide a lot of feedback back to NCAM in terms of our future initiatives. So the feedback is well documented and will ensure the market goes in the right direction going forward.
What I see personally, this event, last event also I attended in 2019. Comparatively that has been grown a lot and largest exhibitor for additive manufacturing in India.
So amazing portfolio solutions what we have is, so we can say the partnership engagement with AMTECH is transforming the business specifically in the metal additive space.